Welcome to the Dell EMC Unity XT Crew Removal and Replacement series. In this series of short videos, we're going to use Unisphere and UEM CLI commands to identify faulted custom replaceable units on a Dell EMC Unity XT storage system. We'll then look at the ways to prepare the system for service, including service mode and reset and hold modes. We'll demonstrate the removal and replacement of the faulted crew, and finally verify the replacement crew is working correctly. One of the first things you want to do is to log on to the storage system using the Unisphere interface. This requires that you have initialized the system and provided an IP address in your browser, and once you do that, you're going to be brought to the page that you see here. You're going to have a username along with a password. That combination was also set up during the initialization process. And once you provide those correct credentials, we'll be able to log in and view the dashboard page. And we see from the dashboard page that we have a hardware error, and we mouse over that error to cause out some components such as the fans, DPE, etc. So we need to investigate a bit further by looking at the alerts. And I see under the alerts that I have a power supply disk processor enclosure and called out as A0. And also that the system has experienced one or more problems that may have to be reckoned with here. Again, the log is going to tell us the same thing. And so that's what we look for. We look for the same time and date in the logs. We have the same call out. So we'll go ahead and go to the system view, and we see that the DPE power supply A0 is faulted here. So I can go ahead and click on that. I could have done the same thing from the enclosures, and I can see that in fact the power supply on disk processor enclosure A0 is faulted. And so we're going to have to swap out that part. Now, to do that, I'm going to just don't have to really go to any special service mode or reset and hold mode. They're both SPs, you can see here, are normal. So provided I swap that power supply out within the couple of minutes, I should be okay. I don't have to do anything else. And here is the env ps show command showing you in fact that it calls out the same power supply failure. So from the back of the system, the failed part will have a solid amber LED, and we move the bail wire. We take off the AC power cord, and there's a little orange latch that you're going to sort of squeeze in as you pull the power supply on out. You then take your new power supply, you line it up on the slots, and you push it back in. You'll hear a small click as it goes into the chassis. And then at that point, once it's securely into the DPE, go ahead and cable up your power again and put your bail wire retaining clip to hold that. And then let's go to the verification of the part. We see we have no issues looking at the dashboard. All the critical errors that we had in the alerts now are gone. And system looks healthy. We then go to the view from the rear view. We see that the power supply is now in a healthy state. Everything looks okay. So at this point, everything appears to be normal and looks healthy. And that is how you replace a power supply on a Unity XT storage system.